let's see how we can easily build a complete Customer 360 using key features of Ververica Streamhouse, including data catalogs with change data capture, streaming and lakehouse storage, and the Vera engine with Materialized Tables, all seamlessly working together to provide users with the complete Customer 360 insights they need. We start with raw customer data dispersed across multiple tables in MySQL or Postgres. Here we have separate tables for customer profile, digital behavior, support history, and accounts. We start by building a Ververica Streamhouse bronze layer using YAML CDC. YAML CDC defines the pipeline that keeps Ververica Streamhouse in sync with MySQL. This even includes adding new tables, upserts, and schema changes, making sure our bronze layer is always in sync with MySQL. Data catalogs simplify managing data source connections to MySQL, Postgres, Pymon, or Iceberg, allowing us to easily reference tables when using Flink SQL. And speaking of Flink SQL, it's time we start validating and enriching our bronze layer into silver and gold layers in Ververica Streamhouse. We use Flink SQL to define our processing logic, outputting the results as Materialized Tables in Ververica Streamhouse. Materialized Tables store our calculated results, while allowing us to forget about the complexities of Flink watermarks and simply apply a data freshness, with Ververica Streamhouse handling job scheduling to ensure we always meet SLAs. SQL joins combine data from multiple source tables with customer insights defined by advanced business logic implemented in Flink SQL. And since Ververica Streamhouse streaming storage is stored directly in S3 and can be configured to be readable as Iceberg, our complete Customer 360 with actionable insights is now viewable across a wide range of applications directly through S3. You've just seen how data catalogs with change data capture, streaming and lakehouse storage, and the Vera engine with Materialized Tables work together seamlessly to create a complete Customer 360. And with Vera's unified batch and stream processing, Workflow Scheduler for scheduling complex batch jobs, and Autopilot auto-scaling workloads, you can be confident Ververica Streamhouse can grow with you to handle all of your production workloads.